back in the kitchen with Chef Kinsan from Asian Inspirations. How are you, Chef?
Hello, how are you?
I'm very well, thank
Good,
you.
good.
I can see some very exciting ingredients in front of me here today. It's always exciting to have you, but what is this one today?
So this one is the most popular one too, tempura. Today's ingredients for very big king prawn. Prawn tempura I can make it today.
Ah, lovely. I love tempura. So what's the first step?
It's very simple. For today, using Japanese mirin seasoning, also Japanese soy sauce. Amount, you have to remember 114. One is mirin, one is soy sauce, about 4 dashi stock. This one is a tempura sauce.
Tempura sauce, fantastic.
This is heat up. Next, garnish. Tempura sauce with daikon radish and also ginger is a more good flavor.
Lovely.
So then little bit grated. Then making like this. Same as a ginger too.
Beautiful.
Like
and
this.
you could use the ginger on this type of grater as well?
Yes.
Wonderful.
Then little bit.
Ah, so getting out
Water like
most
this.
of the liquid.
Then making like a mountain. And on top little bit ginger.
That is
Huh?
so beautiful. Just
Yes.
a little bit of extra effort and time.
Yes. Next is the main ingredient, king prawn. So I using very big size for king prawn today.
And you've prepared them so beautifully.
Yeah.
Can you show me how?
Okay. So this is with skin. Take off skin first.
So you're leaving the tails on.
Yes.
Nice little handle.
Also, this part is very dangerous. Have to be
Yes.
take off.
Remove that spike.
And like this. Then this back side,
Right down the middle there.
inside little bit dirty one.
We don't want to eat that.
Yeah. This one take off. Or take off.
And just tidying up the edge there. Beautiful.
Yeah. So this belly side, little bit angle cutting. Then turn. Push.
So this is how we get a nice straight
That's right.
tempura prawn.
So you can buy for tempura flour in Obento one in supermarket. So today using tempura flour
Yep.
and ice soda water. Prawn, so put in the powder flour. Then like this.
So this is using the same tempura batter. So we're
Yes,
flouring them
okay, yeah.
first. Gives our batter something to grip onto.
Exactly. Yeah. Also today's garnish I using for this leaf.
This I'm really excited about because I don't think I've ever done this before with tempura. This is beautiful chrysanthemum leaves.
Next, making for butter. This soda water first. Then this flour. No flour first.
Why have you put the flour in second?
We don't need for gluten.
Ah.
Yeah. No mix. Just touch.
Ah, so we don't want it all smooth. We actually want some of the lumps.
Yes. So prawn, not put it all. So this tail is still keep. Then
Oh, yes.
so I'm making 6 pieces, but 3 each.
So we'll do a batch of 3 each just so
Yeah.
that we've got a bit more temperature control.
Like this. At least 170 or 75.
Okay.
So first one like this, nice and crunchy. Then next. Okay, just presentation. So, of course, crunchy and also like a very long,
Yes.
big prawn. That's a standing is better.
Ah, lovely. So a bit of height and drama with our tempura.
Yes. Also with lemon.
Thank you so
Like
much for
this.
being in the kitchen with me today, Chef Kinsan.
Thank you very much for enjoying the tempura. So prawn is nice. And if you like the vegetable one, vegetable tempura is good too. Enjoy.
Gotta try this at home, guys.